A city with 1,000 restaurants. Each one has a menu, a price point, a location. 2 Italian restaurants sit on opposite sides of town, one in Chinatown, one in Little Italy. Their menus are nearly identical: bruschetta, ossobuco, tiramisu, espresso. If you read only the menus, they're the same restaurant. But step outside and look around. One is surrounded by dim sum shops and tea houses. The other is flanked by pizzerias and gelato stands. Are they really the same? Seurat says yes. Banksy says it depends on the neighborhood. Every restaurant has a detailed profile, a feature vector. Cuisine type: Italian. Price range $30 to $50. Signature dish: cacio e pepe. Rating 4.3 stars. In single-cell biology, this profile is the gene expression vector, 20,000 genes measured per cell. Seurat reads each restaurant's profile independently. No consideration of what's next door. No connections between restaurants. Just menus, read one at a time. Seurat clusters restaurants by menu similarity. Run PZA on the menu features. Build a nearest neighbor graph in expression space. Detect communities. The result: all Italian restaurants group together. All Thai restaurants form a separate cluster. All sushi places another. The Chinatown Italian and the Little Italy Italian land in the exact same cluster because the menus are the same. The algorithm never asked what's next door. Now draw the spatial neighbor graph. Connect each restaurant to its 5 geographically closest neighbors. The Chinatown Italian edges reach out to a dim sum parlor, a Peking duck house, a wonton noodle shop, a bubble tea stand, and a roast pork dick-out. The Little Italy Italian's edges connect to a pizzeria, a trattoria, a gelato shop, an espresso bar, and an Italian deli. Both Italian restaurants are coloured red, same Seurat cluster. But look at the edges. Completely different neighbourhoods. Seurat sees the nodes and ignores the edges. What does the menu-based approach capture well? Cell types, restaurant types, accurately. If a restaurant serves sushi, it's a sushi place, regardless of location. Marker genes, signature dishes that define each cluster. Differential expression, which menu items distinguish Italian from Thai. The standard pipeline works and has been validated thousands of times. But the Italian place in Chinatown is different from the one in Little Italy. It serves dim sum appetizers alongside its pasta. The staff speaks Mandarin. Its lunchtime clientele is the Chinatown office crowd. The neighborhood has shaped this restaurant even though the dinner menu looks the same. In biology, a macrophage sitting next to tumor cells receives tumor-derived signals and becomes immunosuppressive. A macrophage in healthy tissue performs routine surveillance. Same transcriptome, different function. The edges carry this information. Seurat left it on the table. The standard pipeline normalize highly variable genes PCA UMUP, cluster markers. Seurat reads the menu and knows what kind of restaurant you are, but it doesn't know where you belong. And in spatial biology, the neighborhood changes the story.